Greetings YouTube, this is Quentin. I'm back with an unboxing of the iPhone X Max, or I should say the iPhone XS Max. This is the S model. So I usually skip the S models because they're really not that much different appearance wise. A little bump in specs, but not a whole lot. So I didn't skip it this time because I wanted the Max. I wanted to try out the Max. So I'll get right to it. And I have the 256 gigabyte silver model. And I debated pre-ordering, and then I realized a lot of times in the past I've pre-ordered and I've heard people on the forums just go right on day one, on launch day, either on launch day or a day after, and they're able to go ahead and pick up a phone. And the demand for iPhones for some reason is not it's high, but it's not like before. I remember a few generations ago you had to be up. I'm on the East Coast, so I had to be up at 3 o'clock. On the dot, and order what I will have, everything what I wanted ordered in my mind, and order it as fast as I could. If you waited maybe 30 minutes to an hour later, you're talking about weeks difference in getting your delivery. But this time it was actually, it was all the way up into the afternoon that you could still get it delivered on the 21st for this versions of the iPhone, at least for the Max version. I didn't really check the regular version. And my cat is making noise again. You can see eating the plastic that I peeled off the phone. So excuse that. Okay, so I'm back. Had to stop my cat from munching on the plastic. Anyway, so like I said, the demand is, at least for the Max, it's not like what it used to be, because you could still get it on the 21st. Actually on that morning, on pre-order day, not the 21st. But I actually checked yesterday on launch day, and it was showing not available anywhere for pickup. But then today I happened to check, and it was available. So they had some stock. Anyway, I'm rambling. So this is the Max version, the 256. Like I said, I didn't need the 512. Pull it off, and Apple always has really nice airtight packaging, or seems like airtight, not really airtight. So this is the instructions, which no one hardly ever reads. And this is the Max. So it pretty much is like what I thought, what I've seen in videos. It's just a bigger version of the original. First impressions is it's a little heavier. You can kind of feel the weight to it. Comparing it to the Note 9, it's about the same size as the Note 9. Maybe a little shorter, not quite as tall, which that may bode well for me, because hopefully I may be able to fit it in my car dock. I modified my car dock. It's a built-in wireless charger in my BMW to work with my Galaxy S8 Plus, and it worked. Or S9 Plus, I should say. So I may be able to do something with the iPhone, but I'll have to see. But the Note definitely doesn't fit. It's just a little too big. Here it is compared to my G7, which definitely fits in there. So it's not that much. It's not a whole lot taller than the G7. Maybe just a little bit taller than the G7. So that I may be able to fit it in my dock, which would be awesome. And I have Apple CarPlay on my phone, which I don't really use, but not on my phone, excuse me, on my Beamer, my BMW, but I don't use it. So I'm still rambling. Let me be quiet and get to the unboxing. Peel off the plastic. So one thing I like about the iPhone X, it is a really nice looking phone. And this is just a bigger version of it, a bigger, slightly bump in spec version. So it's pretty much what I expected, just a big wide version. Let's have a look in the box. It's the usual stuff: the charging brick, the weird earphones they give you, which I don't really use, but they're lightning earphones, and the charging cable. And a lot of times I leave all this stuff like it is, because I have other things to charge my phone with, and also I have the Apple AirPods that I use. So And when I sell this phone, and eventually I know I will, the people that get it will get it as if it was new as far as the accessories. So I'm going to power it on for the first time. I guess I should try my SIM card. I have as you know, if you watch my videos before, I'm on I got an Apple Watch too to unbox, but I've got the I'm on the Fire Network, and my it's always, all the iPhones have worked on it. So there's little Apple stickers. I might do something with those this time. I don't know, but that would be what I really need to see if it works on Project Fi. I'm sure it does. It's unlocked. Okay, I'm back. I had to put the SIM card in, and the SIM goes in a little differently. It goes in the other opposite way than it usually goes in, so I was trying to kind of figure that out. But I'm getting LTE, so I'm assuming it's going to work on Project Fi, or the Fire Network. So I'm going to go ahead and set this thing up, because with my iPhones it usually takes a little longer because I don't use it a lot, and then I got to pull all my stuff from iCloud. But I will be right back, or wait, maybe not right away, but stay tuned. So I'm back. Everything's semi set up. I have my Face ID, my Wi-Fi connection, all that set up. So now I'm going to restore all my my apps. So that could take quite a while. But so far so good. It really works well from what I understand. So and I like it. I mean, and I just did iOS 12 on my iPhone 10, and I really like it. So I know I'm probably going to like this. So I'm going to go ahead and set up all the rest of my stuff, and I'll be back with a review, and I got another unboxing of the Apple Watch too, the new one. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.